Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tommy Jean. I'm a singer, songwriter, and vocal coach. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make music on GarageBand and be able to export it. So this is the first part in a series that I'm going to be making, teaching you all of the basics from the very beginning, exactly how to make your music and then upload it so that other people can hear it on platforms like Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Music. So just for this first episode, all I'm going to be teaching you is how to make your music, what you're going to need, and how to export it. So just making the music, and that's it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is open GarageBand. It should be on any Apple product. And then there's a bunch of instruments you can use that are available to you in this app. So just for the sake of this video, I'm just kind of playing around with the different sounds so that you can see how it works. So first, I'm going to start out in my laptop and I'm just going to open up a new project in GarageBand. So again, you will have access to use your mic as well as the built-in instruments that they have available. So personally, I use my laptop because for me, it's easier to export and just kind of like see everything that I'm doing in a laptop. So that's why most of this video is going to be explaining it through the eyes of having a laptop. So now I have a mic track available as well as an instrument track, and in this I'm just showing you the different instruments that they have available. They have a bunch of different instruments ranging from the flute to guitar to drums to piano. Basically anything you can think of, it's available to you in GarageBand. So now, to be able to have access to actually play these instruments, you're going to go to Window and Show Musical Typing. This is where it's going to pull up a musical keyboard for you to be able to play your instruments. You can either use like a MIDI keyboard that you plug into your device or just the letters on your MacBook or your laptop. There's also a metronome available as well so that you can keep tempo. When you click this little arrow, you also have the ability to change the screen to beats, time and beats, anything that you need for your mix. You also have the ability to change your tempo as well, so that you can make your mix faster or slower, just depending on what you need. So now that I've showed you how you can use your instruments and make your own music, I'm also going to show you how you can actually get beats from producers and be able to put them into your mix. So this is personally what I usually do. I find a beat on YouTube that I really like, and then I usually go and find where the producer has their beats listed for purchase. Most producers have a link to their BeatStars in the description of their video. So here is where I will find the beat that I'd like from that particular producer, and then they have different options that you can purchase. And the different options for licenses just depends on what you're looking for and what uses you're going to be needing for your music. So just choose whichever one that best fits you. So once you purchase the beat and you have it downloaded, you're just going to go to your files and then simply drag and drop it into your mix. Now you can use it, you can put your voice over it or do whatever else you plan on doing with that beat. Just make sure that you honor the licensing. So now that you're done with your mix, regardless if it's a beat that you purchased or one that you make, now I'm going to show you how to export it. So you're going to go to Share, and then you're going to go to Export Song to Disk. Now just rename it whatever you'd like, the name of your song or whatever is easy for you to find. Now personally I would recommend downloading it as a WAV file You can also do MP3, but if you do it as a wave, it's like the highest quality. You're just gonna hit export. Now it's gonna be in your files, so you can just look up the name of your song, and there you have it. Now that you have it and you have access to it, usually I just share it through AirDrop, but you can also email it to yourself or send it through text, whatever is easiest for you. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you figure out exactly what you need and how to make your music and export it. Stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to make your cover art so that you can bring your art to life. And if y'all like videos like these, please let me know by giving this video a like and a comment and letting me know exactly what you'd like to see next so that I can make that for y'all as well. Anyways, thank y'all for watching.